Hi, I'm Marcel from Bella Barista, and today I'm going to show you how to check for scale on the filler probe in your coffee machine boiler. So, rule number one, make sure the machine is not plugged in. So unplug your machine and also make sure the machine is cold. So today we're using the ECM Mechanica Slim. Most machines have the same top and sides, and so it's all very generic. What I'm showing you here should work for most machines. First of all, we need to get inside, so we're going to take the top of the cup tray off and also remove the water reservoir. Pop that to one side, and there's actually 6 Allen key screws on this model that need to be undone, but I've just undone them a little earlier. So then we remove the cover and then come closer and have a look. So this here, the wire, single wire, is your water sensor probe. So all you need to do is disconnect the supply, and then you will need a 19mm socket, and in this case a deep socket, just to allow for the height of the probe there. So pop the socket on there and then simply undo anti-clockwise. You could also just pull the probe out without undoing the base nut, but that will actually knock any scale off of the probe and leave it in the boiler, which is not ideal. So we find it better to undo it from the bottom and then remove like so. And we can see that this probe is pretty clean, but if yours is covered in scale, then I would just clean it up using whatever method necessary. You could put it in some descaler, some Descale, something like that. And then once you're happy that the probe is nice and clean, then you can use some PTFE tape, or I like to use the Rapid Blue stuff. Just find it a little easier. So just tiny little bit of the Rapid Blue, there we go. You see that? And then back into the boiler and tighten up by hand as much as you can to ensure you haven't crossed the thread. A little bit fiddly, but just with a few turns we should get started. There we go. So go as much as I can by hand. There we go. And then we get the socket back, pop on top, there we go, and just knit that up, pop the cable back on, or the wire, make sure that's on secure, and then replace the top parts of the machine, and that's the job done. So the reason why we need to inspect the water level probe for scale is sometimes the boilers can overfill, or vice versa, they won't fill at all, and that's purely because there's too much scale build up on the filler probe. So it's quite a simple thing to do to check and fix if that's an issue that you're having with your coffee machine, not filling or overfilling. I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything else you'd like us to show you how to do, please mention in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.